You are highly welcome to another lace frontal tutorial video. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I ventilated a frontal for a client. So if that is what you are interested in, you definitely need to watch this video to the end. Okay, so I'm just showing off how it looks. This video is going to consist of how to ventilate a frontal, that is, make your knoting to look natural, and how to ventilate a lace frontal from start to finish. Okay, this video is going to be very detailed, so watch closely. There's no much talk. I'm not going to be talking much, so just watch closely to see what I'm doing. And in some places I illustrated what I'm doing with a test. Okay, so it's going to be detailed. I started ventilating this frontal from the front side. Yes, reason because I'm using a slant method, so I don't want, when I start in the middle and then hairs keep blocking me, I just want to do it one after the other. I don't know if you get. So I'm using a slant method. Yes, if you want a natural looking frontal, you can use slant method or you use in between method. You can see how it looks. And now when it comes to the front, during that, beside the place, you can see the place I marked with a pen. I pick only one strand. Okay, that is to create a natural looking knot in the front. Okay, so I pick only one strand when it comes to the front, but when I pass the line that I marked, just as you are seeing, then I start picking my normal two strands. Hope you get. As usual, my videos are always going to be in speed, okay, because it's going to be a little bit boring repeating the same thing often and on, but I'm just going to be illustrating. Okay, so I've gone far this side, I've gone a little bit far, and I'm just trying to show you guys the outcome of what I just did. Okay, this frontal I'm ventilating, in case you are a beginner, is for braided wig, but in case if you are planning to make it, like you want to make it for installation, okay, for your weave-ons, then use double knotting, or you can use double split knot, okay, because that will be durable. But if you are planning to make for braided wig, then use single knotting. As you can see, I'm using single knotting for this frontal, but the same pattern, that is what you can also use to make your weave-on. While ventilating, I'm not skipping holes, I'm only skipping only one hole and then one line. Okay, so while you are doing it, this is just how you will keep on doing it until you reach the place you marked. Okay, I'm going to stop talking here so that you guys are going to concentrate and watch the video. So if you have any question, drop it in the comments.
than that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough